Hey guys, so we are moving into day 4 of I Am Malala. Still working on our essential question: how can challenges of a hostile environment inspire heroism? Still continuing with our focus question for lessons 14 through 22. We are on lesson 16 for day 4. How do Malala and her community respond to the hostile environment in Pakistan? And we are still in the organized stage for our content framing question. What's happening in I Am Malala? So now that you have read chapters 1 through 3, you should kind of have an idea for some of those big ideas as far as like Malala valuing education, her parents really instilling the value of education and the importance of it. In chapters 4 and 5, you are now going to in chapters 4 and 5, you are going to be kind of looking at the order of events that have taken place as to how did Malala's community come under Islamic law. You will also be looking at uh, the opportunities that girls had access to in school, learning about what drives Malala to fight for girls' rights to education. So, really gaining an understanding for why she chose to go on this path of fighting for her right to education. All right, so go ahead, get started with day 4. If you have not completed days 1, 2, and 3, you need to get that done. That will be graded on Friday. Submissions are due no later than 5 p.m. So that I can go ahead and I've graded most of the things that you guys have turned in, but for those of you that haven't, I would like them turned in by 5 p.m. so that will give me time to read over it, give you a grade, and then go ahead and give you your grades for this week's classwork and participation. On Friday, just to let you know what's coming up for day 5, you will have 2 question sets. You guys know when you take question sets, they do go in for assessments, which are 35% of your grade. So once again, if you have not completed days 1, 2, and 3, you need to get that done. Also, if you know that some of your friends have not been working, please encourage them to start working and to get the work done. Thanks.